What kind of animals did you pet?
Mama and baby mama.
And what else? Tell Lily what else you pet.
A cow.
A cow?
And rhinos.
And rhinos.
And froggies. Froggy.
Did you tell her you went on a train?
Yes. Lily. Let's wrap your foot here.
Be gentle on her. Don't beep her nose. Did you tell her you dropped Pinky?
I dropped Pinky.
But then we found him.
I found him, Lily.